Hello students, welcome to online classes of Sri Mahavir International School, Kishangarh, Renwal. I hope you all are well at your home. Today we will discuss about chapter number 3 of history, that is the Sultans of Delhi. And in previous video we have discussed about sources of Delhi Sultanate, and we have discussed the main sources of Delhi Sultanate was Tariq and written by learned person that known as novel. And then after we have discussed that in Delhi the five dynasties were ruled, that were the Slave dynasty, the Khilji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty, the Sayyid dynasty, and the Lodhij dynasty. And one by one we have discussed about slave dynasty, and the main ruler of slave dynasty were Qutbuddin Aibak, Samsuddin Iltutmish, and Ghiyasuddin Balban, and Razia Sultan also. That Razia Sultan was the daughter of Iltutmish. Then after we have discussed about Khilji dynasty, and main ruler of Khilji dynasty was Jalaluddin Khilji, Alauddin Khilji, and Mubarak Shah Khilji. Today we will discuss about Tughlaq dynasty. The important ruler of the Tughlaq dynasty include Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Means these were the main ruler of Tughlaq dynasty, and those were Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Like Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq also raised a large standing army. It means he also increased the number of soldiers in the army. He led campaign to Kalanur and Peshawar, aimed at securing the northwestern frontier of the Sultanate against future Mongol attack. It means he started campaigning in the northwestern boundary to protect their boundary of northwestern to Mongol attack. Even before Muhammad bin Tughlaq's successor Firoz Shah Tughlaq could consolidate his rule, the Sultanate of Delhi began to disintegrate largely because of the struggle of power among the nobles. It means after the Muhammad bin Tughlaq, the region, the area of the Delhi Sultanate started dividing due to the struggle between nobles. The disintegration of the Delhi Sultanate was completed by Timur, who attacked Delhi and the neighboring area in 1398-99, and some area was captured and looted by the Timur, and Timur attacked on Delhi in 1398-99. Now Sultanate after the Tughlaqs. Okay. The other two dynasties that rule after the Tughlaqs, that were Sayyid dynasty and Lodi dynasty. After the Tughlaqs, the Sayyid dynasty followed by the Lodi dynasty continued to rule from Delhi and Agra until 1526. But the control of the Delhi Sultans were only over a small region neighboring Delhi. Regions like Jaunpur, Bengal, Malwa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and the entire South India had independent rulers. It means some region they declared independence themselves, like Jaunpur, Bengal, Malwa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, etc. They not only established flourishing states but also enjoy autonomous existence. Now, but in Tughlaq dynasty, the Muhammad bin Tughlaq done some experiment, and out of them, number first, raising the taxes in Doab. Muhammad raised land tax in Doab. It means he increased the land tax in Doab, a very fertile area to 50% of the produce at the time when the entire region was in the grip of famine. It means he increased up to the 50%, and there was a famine also. This caused widespread discontent among the peasants of the area. It means they dissatisfied of this policy of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Barney writes that the peasants fled their home after setting their crop on fire. Number second experiment, transfer of capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. According to Barney, Muhammad bin Tughlaq was motivated to transfer the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad because he believed that Daulatabad or Devgiri was more centrally located and was equivalent from Delhi, Gujarat, Malabar, and Kampila. It means, according to Barney said that Muhammad bin Tughlaq also transferred their capital from Delhi to Daulatabad, and he thought that Daulatabad is located in the center of the country and he controlled from there all over the country. However, he was forced to return to Delhi because he realized that just as it was difficult to control South India from Delhi. But he realized that from Delhi, it was difficult to control South India. It was equally difficult to control Delhi while sitting in Daulatabad. So he asked people to move back to Delhi. This caused great resentment among the people. But again, he also asked to people to move away again Delhi. Third experiment, introduction of the token currency. Taking cue from contemporary Chinese and Iranian rulers, Muhammad bin Tughlaq introduced a token currency of bronze coin to be used in place of silver coins called tanka. It means like Chinese and Iranian rulers, Muhammad bin Tughlaq also introduced bronze coins replacing of silver coins, and this coin known as taka. This experiment was however a major failure, but this experiment also failed. Soon the silver coin disappeared from the market and forged coin made by people at their homes came into circulation, and bronze coins were made by every person in at your home. Too many forged coins created havoc in the market, and the situation went out of control. And many coins came to the market of bronze coins. He had to withdraw the currency and compensate the surplus, but he again also taken away their decision. Next, fourth experiment, expedition into Khorasan and Karachi. Muhammad bin Tughlaq undertook expedition into Khorasan and Karachi area. He was unable to establish his control over these territories. This, along with the failure of earlier schemes, affected the prestige of the Sultan and led to widespread discontent. Muhammad bin Tughlaq died in 1351 while fighting a rebellion in Sindh. His experiment of expedition into Khorasan and Karachi also failed, and in a battle and in a rebellion in Sindh, he died in 1351. Dear student, first, now we have discussed in previous video that there was a attack also of Mongol. Now we will discuss about some points of Mongol attack. India was attacked by Mongols a number of times during the year 1221 to 1327. The first Mongol attack took place in 1221 when Genghis Khan defeated Jalaluddin Khilji in the Battle of Indus. It means first Mongol attack was held in the period of Jalaluddin Khilji in 12 In 1235, they marched into Kashmir where they put up in Daruvachi. Following this, the Mongol next occupied the Indus Valley and Lahore in the year 1241 during the winters. And in the winter season in 1245, Mongol captured the Kashmir and the Lahore Valley also. However, in 1299, Alauddin Khilji attacked the Mongols without any prior warning and successfully defeated them. But in 1299, Alauddin Khilji attacked on Mongol and he defeated them. This defeat completely broke the will and confidence of the Mongols, and by this defeating, Mongols lost their confidence. However, they did not manage to recover from the setback and launch an attack on Alauddin Khilji, who at the time was busy occupying Chittor. But Mongol again attacked on Alauddin Khilji, and Alauddin Khilji that time was busy to occupy the Chittorgarh. The Mongol attacked Khilji with an army of 12,000 soldiers led by Targi. Thus, this sudden attack made Khilji take a better security measure in order to protect his empire from such an attack again. He used big garrison to protect the boundaries of his fort and new army was created with efficient leaders to safeguard the boundaries of the fort. This was the Mongol attack first in the leadership of Bangay Khan in and Alauddin Khilji also defeated the Mongols in 1299, but when he was busy to occupy the Chittorgarh, Mongol attack on Alauddin Khilji, and Alauddin Khilji realized that it was the time to fortify their country and increase the number of army in their army. I think, dear students, you have understand that the chapter. Now you do the question answer of this chapter in your SST notebook. Question number A, B, C. You will fill the answer of these questions in your book. But question number D, E, or F, the answer the following question in your SST notebook. Thank you.